Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisors Noida, your trusted business mitra, providing complete advisory solutions. Can RERA stop your real estate case just because you don't have a legal Heir certificate? And can your right to get possession of property be blocked on such a technical ground? The Punjab and Haryana High Court gave a very important answer to this case in Mrs. Dhanvati Ahuja versus State of Haryana. Mrs. Dhanvati Ahuja and her husband Tulsidas Ahuja purchased a plot in Gurgaon from a builder. Full payment was made. Builder promised possession by Jan 2013, but possession was never given. Unfortunately, in 2016, Mr. Tulsi Das Ahuja passed away. He had left a codicil giving his 50% share to his son and daughter-in-law. Because the builder still did not hand over possession, Mrs. Ahuja filed a complaint before Haryana RERA in 2022, seeking possession and compensation for delay. During the RERA case, the builder raised an objection. The builder said that you have not attached a legal Heir certificate of the deceased allottee, so the case should not proceed. RERA accepted this objection and ordered Mrs. Ahuja to file a legal Heir certificate and implied that without it, the case would not move forward. Feeling this was unfair and illegal, Mrs. Ahuja approached the High Court. The main legal question was, can RERA stop proceedings just because a legal Heir certificate is not filed? The Punjab and Haryana High Court gave a very clear ruling. Legal Heir certificate is not mandatory for RERA proceedings. The court categorically held that a legal Heir certificate is not mandatory for the continuation of proceedings before RERA. RERA is a regulatory and adjudicating authority created to protect home buyers and ensure timely justice in real estate disputes. It is not a succession court. It does not decide inheritance rights, and therefore it cannot insist on succession documents like legal Heir certificate as a precondition to hear a complaint. The absence of such a certificate does not affect the maintainability of a RERA complaint. Legal representatives can be brought on record as a procedural step. The court further explained that, at most, legal representatives of the deceased allottee can be brought on record as per law, but this is only a procedural requirement meant to keep records updated. It is not a substantive legal condition that can stop or delay the case. Complaint cannot be blocked or stalled due to absence of certificate. The court strongly rejected the approach taken by RERA. It held that the absence of a legal Heir certificate cannot block, freeze or stall a RERA complaint. Justice cannot be held hostage to technical paperwork. If a home buyer has paid the full consideration, if possession has been delayed, if possession is being claimed, RERA is duty bound to adjudicate the dispute without insisting on unnecessary technicalities. The court directed RERA to continue the case in accordance with law. The court also clarified substitution of deceased allottee's name is a procedural issue. It is mainly a matter between the complainant and the builder. RERA cannot make legal certificate a condition to hear the complaint. This judgment is very important because it protects homebuyers from unnecessary technical hurdles. It ensures that RERA remains a consumer-friendly forum. It prevents builders from delaying cases on procedural excuses. It clarifies that substantive justice is more important than paperwork. So remember, your right to seek position or compensation cannot be defeated by technical formalities. This is CA and IP Praveen Agrawal thanking you for watching. I hope this presentation will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.